guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amir Nazir and today aku akan unboxing 70mm Dashcam 1S camera. So without further ado, let's jump straight to it. Okay, so macam biasa, so this one aku akan unboxing this package from Shopee. I bought it. Aku beli dari Shopee. So it cost 170 ringgit, which is I think is quite affordable for dashcam punya segment price, and yeah, it's quite budget. Alright, so so apa tengok ni? Okay, so first kita unboxing dulu. Kita unboxing dengan my favorite architecture knife yang aku guna untuk modeling, walaupun korang tak nak tahu, but aku nak beritahu korang. Alright, okay, so okay, dia macam awkward sikit lah. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, aku punya unboxing a bit clumsy actually, macam this is okay. Alright, okay, so time korang beli nanti from Shopee, which aku akan includekan dalam aku punya link dekat bawah, which is kat komen. So and don't forget to subscribe and push the like button. Okay, so I will releasing aku akan release quite a lot of unboxing and tag review, so don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so aku order with 64GB memory card sekali. Okay, so this is like just a normal UHS one card micro HDC SanDisk Ultra, which is I think so this is the packaging of 70mm dashcam, which is I think is quite minimal in my design perspective. Wise the unboxing is just very minimal, and I think that's pretty much okay. Alright, okay, so first thing first, what you guys need to know is 70mm is basically part of Xiaomi ecosystem, and it is quite budget. Okay, so and also this 70mm is the real successor to 70mm dashcam. Alright, okay, so untuk dia punya storage, you can get for 32 up to 64GB, which is okay I think, because korang pun just nak guna untuk dashcam, so I think that's pretty much okay. Alright, so apa lagi? Banyak cakap pula kan. Okay, so kita boxing. Alright, okay, kita buka plastik dia. Nak dengar? I don't know. Alright, kita letak sini. This is dia punya package. Okay, so aku put down, which is not necessary. Okay, so aku letak sini. Alright, so the moment of truth. Alright. Oh it's quite actually best juga dia punya ni. Okay, aku try lagi, walaupun korang tak nak tengok, but it's okay. Dia punya packaging is just nice lah, sebab sometimes there's a lot of macam packaging yang cannot deliver this kind of experience, which is I think is good. Okay, so korang akan dapat this sticker all the way. First this sticker. Okay, so aku akan susun kat sini, and then korang akan dapat dia punya user manual, and also ni dia punya ni. Okay, so first thing first, this is the main actor for this unboxing. Okay, aku rasa sini dulu. Alright, so this is dia punya dashcam. I think this is quite nice actually. I mean this is like memang macam dashcam lah. Tak ada macam DSLR, which is I think okay. I mean personally I think this one is more on minimal looks. Macam sometimes people suka yang macam besar-besar kan, so but personally not my taste lah. Alright, so korang juga akan dapat this this punya wire. I think it's wire USB 2.0. USB 2.0. Korang dapat USB 2.0. And also aku almost forgot, ada satu lagi segmen dekat tepi ni, jangan korang lupa pula. This one ni lah korang cocok dekat korang punya tempat rokok tu kan, smoker tu kan, which is it is quite convenient sebab kalau nak beli separately pun dah masalah kan. So I think this is pretty much okay. Okay, so what you guys need to know, this webcam is part of chipset of Hamstar, and also diorang ada Sony IMX 307 2 megapixel sensor camera, and then it is included with 240 mAh battery. And to be honest, I think the battery itself doesn't matter a lot pun sebab they always rely to this electricity from battery from your cars. And diorang ada Wi-Fi app, and the best part of it is because I think sekarang ni memang it is very essential for us, for the technology yang ada dekat brand to have their own apps, which is quite convenient. Let's say if the situation, if any accident yang berlaku area korang, so korang ada dia punya footage tu yang korang boleh access through your mobile phone, which is good, which is quite convenient. And dorang ada voice command also. Alright, okay, so